Look, bear with me. I'm going to take a moment, refer to Shakespeare's book, take a page. He was the one that said, all the world's a stage. So I'll flip it. Distill the world to the creative landscape right here. So we're coming from the land of the brave, on some makes the great vibes. All over there's these pockets of creative tribes. The stage is Wales, as it contains authentic tales. From rich and diverse communities, ones that look like you, and ones that sound like me. Just like the team up in RCT, are you mad? I gotta shout out Hannah Ladd. And the rest, supporting a network of artists to make it in their own shoes, pushing boundaries, recreating the rules. A group of needle movers, like Loren Henry and team. They know G, expression is key, enhancing the voices of the younger community, giving them a platform to express and a space to be free. In my hometown of Newport, they'll never get caught lacking. They're too busy on the front line attacking, building equity in an industry that keeps on slacking. That's why I treat loyalty the way the industry should have treated me when I was coming up. So yeah, enough is enough. Then there's People Speak Up. They're the table shakers, supporting the creative theatre makers, amplifying voices, giving localised young people better and more choices. So it's time for us to take a stand. That was shown to us at Swansea Grand, where ambition is critical, especially when you go against the typical, like the shed made of tin, who go against the norm, giving the port the place within, putting community roots into perspective, gathering local voices like a mini collective. So I thank the heavens for blessing me with queens like Bryony and Emma Evans, and so many more. Because of them, I got more knowledge than before. Those who were kind, they opened some doors, like the crew at the Riverfront, always plotting, no matter the time or day or month. So like King Kendrick and Big Mike, I'll use a line of theirs that I like. Win again and win again, like Wimbledon I serve. There's knowledge in this poem, there's power in these words, there's room all across Wales for other voices to be heard. These pockets of stories are products of where we live. These localised tales, these legendary myths, can all be platformed, can all be amplified. If we tap in and get laser focused, collaboration can help create a magnum opus. So all over the land of the brave, beyond the border, these roots of grass have to be harnessed and saved so they can leave an impact for generations to last and show just how the arts can never be a thing of the past.